How to change your personal YouTube account to a brand account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your personal YouTube account to a brand account. Before you continue, check if you already have a brand account. To do so, sign in to YouTube and go to your channel list. Then, click Create a Channel and fill out the details to name the brand account and verify your account. Click Create. To change your personal YouTube account to a brand account, sign in to YouTube. Following that, click your profile picture. If needed, switch accounts to the Google account associated with the channel you want to move. Now click Settings and click Advanced Settings. Next to the Move Channel section, select Move Channel to your Google account or different brand account. In the next step, choose the account that you want to move to from the list on your screen. If you don't have a list of accounts, troubleshoot using the steps above. If the account you choose is associated with a YouTube channel, click Replace, then select Delete Channel in the box that pops up. Doing so will delete the channel that is already associated with that account. Any content associated with this channel will be permanently deleted, including videos, comments, messages, playlists, and history. In the end, check how your YouTube channel will appear after moving. Then click Move Channel. You may be asked to enter your password and re-authenticate. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.